Amidst the lockdown, Sarvanya Group of Institutions, Kalaburgi and Raichur, has gone a step ahead to honor its commitment to the students. Sarvanya Digital Classes has successfully completed 75 days of online lecture consistently for the students of 2nd PUC for the academic year and outgoing students of 2nd PUC also, so that they can seamlessly prepare for competitive exams like NEET, JEE and CET while staying at home.
With the blessings of Justice Dr. Sivaraj Patil, 75 days back, Justice Sivaraj Patil sir advised us to take the online classes for PUC students and even SLC students. This is not waste time. They are very strong. They are our future. Therefore, come on, take the classes for those children. ಅಂತಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅವರು. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸರ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ and all the principal, HODs, all the staff, so worked unitedly and made the classes very, very successful.
Thus, Sarvanya has proved its mettle to be the first top institution in Kalaburgi and Raichur in providing online education at the convenience of students. This was the first time to stay at home safely and make the best use of the time. The thought to impart quality education online lit up a spark in us when Shri Abhishek Channareddy Patil launched the Sarvanya app. Students from every corner of the city and taluka have expressed their gratitude. Even parents have showered us with love and praise.
Hello everyone, I am Shuling from Sarvanya PU College of Science, Kalaburgi. I am in 2nd year PUC. As you all are aware, coronavirus pandemic has ruined everything this year. But Sarvanya Group of Institutions have started online digital classes for all the students to continue our studies. And they have helped me a lot and they are boosting my confidence. And I am watching now live Sarvanya classes. And they have officially started Sarvanya app, which we can get in Play Store or the Apple Store. And Sarvanya has always stood with me. And I am under the safe guidance of Channareddy sir and Abhishek sir. I want to thank all the teachers for online classes, and they are giving question banks, e-notes and all the PDFs for extra competitive exams. I just want to say thank you for all the Sarvanya Group of Institutions.
Hello everyone, I am Madhvi Hude. You might be thinking, how am I studying during this lockdown? The materials for JEE, NEET and KCET are also being uploaded in app. And one can rewind this video and see often and often if they have any doubts in them. And the good news is that after every unit, we will be having a live doubt clearing session. In this session, all the teachers will be live and we have the opportunity to ask our doubts.
Sarvanya app, how much useful Sarvanya app, online classes. In future, all the exams are going to be conducted, it may be NEET or IIT or any of the classes are going to be conducted online only. So you got a very good practice right from the basic. ಇವಾಗಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ನಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್, ನಾವು 75 days of the classes have been completed successfully. And again, still lockdown is not open. We are going to continue the classes for you people. So therefore, stay home and stay safe and take care of your health and take care of your parents' health also. Very, very, very important.
Sarvanya's care and love and support have made them study without any hiccups. For them, Sarvanya is surely the best, and anything is possible as long as Sarvanya and Justice Shivraj Patil PU College is by their side. Get to be a part of Sarvanya's family by joining in learning online through Sarvanya digital classes. Be a part of this flourishing journey and get started with Sarvanya digital classes. Thank you for trusting Sarvanya digital classes.